This is a 1972 Mercruiser 3-liter. Terrible engine rattle. We've pulled the engine, thought that was the issue, put it back in, and I think finally I see the issue. If you look at the rear transom plate, the holes are elongated. And here's the mounting bolt that goes in there, and I'm guessing this is related to the rattle. So I had bought new engine mounts. I haven't put them on yet. I put them on the engine itself, but again, I think that this is going to be my issue. I'm not sure yet how to fix it, whether I've got to just put in a different plate, but we will see.